how to hide likes on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can hide likes on reactions on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So whenever you open Facebook, let's say you don't want to see the likes on other posts and you want to hide that, or maybe you want to hide the likes on your own post. So what do? So all you have to do for that is just tap the three lines option from the top right, and then just tap the gear icon to come to settings. Under the preferences tab, you'll find reaction preferences. Make sure to tap on it. So here you can see hide number of reactions on your own post and from others. So when you select on post from others, you'll not be able to see the number of likes on other people's posts, and when you select on your own post, then people will not be able to see the post for your own post and the likes and reactions on it. This way you'll be able to hide likes on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.